back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be trying out a new product. It's the Hydro Detangler and Shower Head. Massage, detangle, and retwist. So this is supposed to be like that sort of thing. I just want to try it out to see if it's good for getting in the scalp, just kind of working it into my wash routine. You needed to replace the shower head, so brought two and saw this one, so let me give this a try. So this is me trying this one out to see how well it works on Locs and not the hair that's pictured on the box. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see or how well you can see that, but this is kind of how the water comes out. The shower head, it's like a little brush of sorts, and you just get it in there here. So I'm gonna get in now and show you guys. Alright, so back. Thoughts. Yeah. So for the shower head, you can do without it. It's not a necessity. Did I like the way the bristles felt against my scalp with the extra scrub? Yes. Do I think you should go out and pay for it? Maybe not. If you have any sort of like, it's happening for my beard, it's that blue thing you guys typically saw in my videos. If you have any type of scalp massagers, that'll do the same thing. And I think not having the water run as you're doing that may be a better way to work that out, because I just feel like the shampoo was rinsing out as I was working it in, so I don't really feel like it got the job done like I probably needed it to. So it's not bad. I don't think the product is bad at all. I just think it's probably not for us in the Locs community. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, if you've tried this, let me know in the comment section below. Loose, natural, Locs, just whatever. If you've tried it at all, let me know in the comment section below. You know, if you enjoy this content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know what you find here: Loc videos, travel videos, beard videos, lifestyle videos. All the things that encompass those topics, you'll find them on this channel. And yeah, be easy.